How's it going, everybody? This is the last video I'll be doing for the week. I will be back with you guys Monday morning, but I wanted to leave you guys with some really good things to take into the weekend. We'll go over this winning trade here because this officially did win for everybody. You guys won between 60 to 120% profit on this single trade we called out from the metrics. Make sure you guys are signed up over at tradeconfident.io. It's $49 a month. I will show you guys the exact entry, the exit for this trade. And then I want to leave you guys with something of the reason why I've been calling this Ethereum, the whole market's overextended. The third richest whale just sold 3,000 Bitcoin just a few hours ago, today. So this is not like old news. This is literally today, and I'm going to show you that. And our metrics also called it as well. It's smart money is looking to sell, and I'm going to prove that to you guys. It's going to be a shorter video. So let's just dive right in here. Okay, so for everyone in the long trade, you guys did very, very well. I'm going to show you the exact trade call right here. I'm not going to take a lot of time to explain how this works. Literally, guys, watch this before the weekend. Come down here, watch this video. It tells you exactly how we are trading on this channel. We have not lost a trade yet. Will we in the future? I'm sure we will. We just have not lost it yet because we use really good risk management. The entry call for this was at $38,037.83. Okay? Right here, $38,037.83. That was the initial buy entry for everybody. Now, when I call out a buy here and you guys see this, what we're doing is we're breaking our entry into 4 equal buy limit portions. If you have $1,000, 250 would go here, 250 here, 250 here, 250 here. I am always scaling into the market. I am ready to go for Ethereum. I am ready to go for ADA for a drop back down here in the market to see this move back up, okay? So I want to make it very clear of that. The exit point was at 42,775.96. That is exactly right here. So you can see that, 42,775.96. We have clearly pushed past that, so everybody who got into this long trade, if you used 5x leverage, which you can use 5x leverage on Kraken, you guys did about 60% on this. If you guys use 10x leverage, which you can use 10x leverage on Bitfinex, you guys did 120% profit on this single trade in 3.5 days. Congratulations. This morning I ended up calling an exit here about 8% of 50% of your trade, just in case we move back down, and we did move down right after that I made that call. It made sense. I understood we could move back down. It did fly up. It hit everyone's take profit for the long trade, which is a sell limit that you guys had in your exchange, and you made great deal of money. This is why this is so important to follow. If you guys want to take trades, I really do believe this is the best place to take it. Come over to tradeconfident.io. It's fully transparent, guys. It's $49 a month. It gives you access to all the metrics, which we are going to go over today. Do not miss that for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you guys that sell, as well as all of the live trade calls for the top 10 currencies in here: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Cardano, Ripple, Uniswap, so on and so forth. Every single one you guys see up here, that's the ones we cover. All right, we need to get over to this. I have a lot of questions. So first of all, congratulations to everybody who did, 60 to 120 to 12.31% on Bitcoin. You did fantastic. If you guys do want to open a short trade here, that is a call that the website is calling out. But hear me out in this video before you do, because I want to make a point. First, I need to go over to Ethereum and talk to you guys about this. I'm getting a lot of questions on this short trade here, and I want to just talk to you guys briefly about what's going on. The entry for the short trade was at 2,638.10. Okay, the second limit order for the short trade is at 2,998. We have not hit this yet, okay? Sometimes, I've told this to you guys in the videos, I've been in a long trade and I've said, I am excited when the price goes against me in my long trades. Now, that doesn't make sense to the average retail trader, but I'm going to explain it to you and this will make sense here. This morning, you guys did not see this red line on the chart, but this is what it's for. Everybody who entered into this short trade has 4 different limit orders for their short. And let me explain to you guys what they are. Go to the front page, go to Ethereum Live Trading, and this is what they are. You guys have 4 different limit orders in here. Here's your first one, your second, your third, and your fourth. Every single time we trade in here, for example, it's $1,000, we break our amount we want to trade with into 4 equal portions. Because it's an equal portion, what we can do is we have a very nice calculation to find the break-even entry price as more limit orders are hit. Does that make sense? If it doesn't, I'll explain it. Those of you guys who entered in at 2,638, if this comes up and it hits up here at 2,998, what we end up doing is adding 2,998 with 2,638, and we divide that by 2. And that gives us our new break-even entry point, which is 2,818. Listen carefully on this, guys. This is the only strategy in crypto that as you have the price move against you, as you lose money, you get a more favorable entry and your risk to reward ratio goes up. It's the only way to trade. This is why I do not trade any other way. I'm confident in when I say this. This is the best way to trade. This is why we have not lost a single trade on this channel yet since its conception, is because we dollar cost average in here. So if over the weekend, because I know a lot of people are in this and you guys are trading hundreds of thousands of dollars. I know you guys are because I'm talking to you guys over email. If this gets hit at 2,998, your entry does not stay down here at 2,638. It is actually going to be very favorable for you, and it will move to 2,816. Anything that gives you profit below this, even if we come down here and we hit this target of, if the original entry is hit, guys, that is not a bad place. I'm making this official call, so please write this down. If the original entry hit, if we hit the 3,000 mark, the second limit, and we come back down here, a good take profit on this short trade is going to be down here at 2,638. If that is hit, I would be selling 100% of the short trade. Okay, I can't say that's financial advice. You guys know that's very clear. If this thing hits, if you guys get triggered in and it moves down, even if it does not trigger the second limit, if this hits your entry again, I would be looking to exit 100%. Okay, because this does have a chance it's going to bounce off this area and move back up. Hey, if it goes down further, I'll be in. You just flip your trade and get into a long trade with me, so you're not going to miss out on anything. Okay, I want to make that official call. All right, let me get into the second part of this video of the reason why I think this could be heading down. The third richest Bitcoin well in the world just sold 3,000 BTC today. Okay, this isn't old news. This is literally 8/6, and today is August 6th. He sold two portions here, 1,500 and 1,500. He sold the first one, and he's like, wow, I probably think this is going to go down even further. He probably was working with the liquidity on his exchange. I've taught this to hedge funds in the past. You can't exit that much at one time, so this is probably what he did. So he didn't get slippage, and he got everything at a good price. He probably just split it up into two equal orders, and that's what he's been doing in the past. He did it over here as well. So you guys see this. At 728, he sold 3,000. He's not buying this. Is that clear? He is selling this like crazy. There's a lot of YouTubers who are following this guy, the third richest whale in the whole world, because this guy has been really smart in his calls. We can see that in the past. So how does this correlate over to the metrics? When I tell you guys that these are some of the best metrics in all the industry, I got to be humble about this. This, it is true. Look at this. Today, not only is the third richest whale selling, but smart money, well-institutional smart money metric came out and showed us a very nice move back down for short trades. Correlates perfectly with what that big whale is doing. Other big whales on the top 10 richest Bitcoin addresses are also selling. Okay? It's true. I'm showing you guys proof right now. He literally just did this today. I saw an article come out, and I think it was about CryptoQuant or something, and it was, I think it came out yesterday, 2 days ago or yesterday, and they're like, Bitcoin whales they're buying. Well, I'm showing you guys on-chain metrics here. At least this guy and other ones, they are not buying as hard as you might think. They're actually selling. It's very clear right here, okay? And we can also see this from the metrics. So those of you guys in the short trade, this gives us obviously a little bit of a confidence. Now, I don't say this, please hear this correctly so I don't sound rude. I'm not showing you guys that to give you confidence that this is going to head down. I enter every single trade expecting to lose the trade. The reason for that is it forces me to get my emotions out of the way, and it forces me to put good risk management into the trades here. I talked to a gentleman earlier, and we were talking about this exact same thing, and I'm like, man, literally, I expect every single trade to go against me and hit zero every single time I enter. Okay, this brings me to the last point of this video, and I'll leave you guys for the weekend. This might be one of the most important things. I'll try to talk slow here when I explain this. Okay, it's so important. Real quick, the divergence is still active on the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion. Watch this over a weekend. If you guys don't have these indicators, just snag them. You get the source code. Just get them on your charts. Watch this. If this continues to head down and price moves up, it's even a stronger divergence, which is a stronger call for a move down. Okay. This obviously can head up. It obviously can head up, but we have parameters in here with limit orders to protect us. If it keeps going up, it's going to give us a bit more favorable entry. Okay. If you were to ask me, and these are some questions I'm getting. If you were to ask me, guys, Travis, if you could take long trades or if you could take short trades for the rest of your life trading crypto, what would it be? There's a reason. This is the reason I pose this question. The reason for this is that it has to do with the fluctuation of crypto, and there's barriers to crypto. Okay, I don't see too many people talking about this because I think it's almost a no-brainer that people don't think about. So let me explain. If I had to choose one, I would choose long trades. And here's the reason why. If you got, let me make this big here. Give me 1 second to readjust this chart, and I'm going to actually show you some proof here of why this holds really true. I'm not saying that short trades are bad. Obviously, I have traders in here who are making like thousands and thousands of dollars short trading the calls that I make on this channel. So this isn't to say that short trades aren't good. Hear me out clear on that, because you guys are doing super well. And I think this is a good short trade as well. But hear me out on this, and please keep this just in the back of your mind as you guys trade for the next years. And even if you go on and you follow this channel or you don't, just take this advice. When you guys look to enter a long trade, when I enter a long trade, I can end up making it very, like if a hedge fund came to me right now, which this has literally happened before, they're like, Travis, I have $8 million I need to flow through the market right now. Is a long trade or short trade good? Every crypto has a barrier. What is the barrier? It is zero. Okay, I can get everyone into a long trade right now, and I can set you guys up, as well as myself, with some of the best limit orders so that as the price goes down, I won't be risking that as the price goes down, I'll be getting more favorable positions. And another thing we have that's always going to be in our favor for long trades is we are guaranteed to find a bottom for long trades, and it is what's called zero. Okay, short trades, however, if I were to ask you guys, what do you think is more likely? For the price to continue up over the next 10 years or the price to go to zero? Everybody answering that question, unless you're very bullish on all crypto in general, which I don't think most people are, you guys would tell me this could probably go to 10,000, 20,000 for Ethereum, right? Currently sitting right here at about 3,000. You guys would say we have a higher chance with global adoption that cryptocurrency is going to go higher and higher to people call $100 to $200, $300,000 for Bitcoin. Here's the point. If you were to take a long trade today versus a short trade, the risk management of a long trade is going to be far greater in your favor because we have a block and a barrier of zero. So as the price goes down, the rubber band effect takes place, this thing will bounce a lot faster for all of your long trades. In short trades, guys, technically, this long trade could actually, the price structure could technically just keep heading up, and it could just keep going to $10,000 for Ethereum. Like, I don't believe that's going to happen. I believe we're going to see moves down all the way up there. But does that make sense to you guys? Like, you can control the risk of your limit orders for your long trades far more favorably than you can for short trades because crypto has a barrier and a wall, and it's called zero. It does not have one for the price to move up. Now, the argument there is that, well, Travis, there's only a certain supply for each coin, and basically if you take the global adoption of currencies, there's only a certain amount of money in the world, and if all that money is pushed into crypto and the market cap is hit, you will eventually reach a top. I understand that, guys, but we are thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars away from that for Ethereum, in my personal opinion. So this is one of the reasons why I really like taking long trades is that they will automatically be more favorable for you at these low prices because it has a shorter percentage to zero than it does a percentage to $10,000 and $20,000. Basically a blue sky breakout of no ceiling. If you guys can understand that, that is why I trade a lot of long trades and I don't take too many short trades. I don't trade short because I just like to focus on long trades. So I want to just point that out to you guys and just have you guys think about that over the weekend and just like mull it over and be like, okay, I understand what he's saying. Do not come out with this video and say Travis says to not take short trades. That's not true. I'm going to help you guys make a ton of money on this video. You guys made 50 to 60% leveraging just this one call in here. And I know people who made a ton of money on this short trade call. You guys are probably going to do very well on this short trade call as well. But I just want to come out and point that out. All right, guys, God bless you seriously so much over this weekend. I will keep you guys updated. Get access to the metrics over the weekend so you guys can watch this. It's over at tradeconfident.io, and I will be updating you guys Monday morning unless I am in the hospital with my wife and we are delivering our baby. I will be with you guys Monday morning. If you don't see me on YouTube Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, guess what? We are in the hospital. We are having our baby, and I will be back on with you guys as soon as possible. Please give me grace over email if I don't answer you right away over the weekend or maybe Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. Again, we're having our baby. I will get back to you as soon as I can, but please know this. The metrics will update every single day, regardless if I am in the hospital with my wife having a baby or whatever. The metrics will update. That is why you guys need your subscription over here, because you will be able to follow all the metrics and what's happening, even though I'm not on the charts. That's why it's so valuable for you guys to have membership over there. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. Let's see what happens. This has been super exciting. Great job for you guys who won the Bitcoin trade, and I will see you guys on the next video. Alrighty, bye-bye.